Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker JBL Flip 7. And the first one, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer browser. And Equalizer browser you can find in the JBL Portable application. I recommend to install it and add your speaker to the application. And right here we have 4 presets, and the fifth one is a custom one, so you can make something good for you. And I guess it's a good one. Next one, we have the Playtime boost, and what this mod do. It increase your music volume and reduce battery consumption, but you can't use it with Equalizer. So if you don't use a lot or if you don't like these presets, you just enable this mod and it will be the best one for you. Next one, we have a stereo group, and if you have 2 speakers at the same model, so it should be 2 Flip 7, you can create a stereo group with it and you will improve your listening experience also. And next one, this speaker have IP68 waterproof, and it also dustproof, but waterproof is not water resistant, so be careful please with it. And the last one, if you have some trouble with your speaker, you can easily perform a factory reset. You need to just press play pause button and volume up button at the same time for just 2 seconds. Your speaker will turn off and you just reconnect it to your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!